Good morning, student. Welcome to the online classes. I am Vishal Anand. Today I will teach you chapter 33 and 36 in GK. Now let's start with chapter 33, newspaper in India. Now in this chapter we have given some hints. We has been identify this famous newspaper of India. Now the first hint is it is a Bengali language newspaper published from Kolkata, New Delhi and Mumbai. It is the most widely read newspaper in India. It was started in 1922. And the right answer is Ananda Bazar Patrika. Come on, the hint number second. It is an English language daily newspaper started in 1924. It has its roots in the Indian independence movement. It is one of the largest newspaper in India in terms of circulation. Now the answer is Hindustan Times. Hindustan Times. Hint number 3. It is an English language daily newspaper. According to the Audit Bureau of Circulation, it has the largest circulation among all English language newspapers in the world. It is owned and published by the Bennett Coleman and Company Limited. It was started in 1838. The answer is The Times of India. The Times of India. Hint number 4. It is a Hindi language daily newspaper published by DB Corporation Limited. It was started in 1958 from Bhopal. The answer 4 is Dainik Bhaskar. Dainik Bhaskar. Hint number 5. It is a Hindi language daily newspaper published from Jaipur, Jodhpur, Udaipur, Kota and other cities of Rajasthan. It is also published from some of the major cities of India. It is now considered the 5th largest newspaper of India. The answer is Rajasthan Patrika. Answer 5 is Rajasthan Patrika. Hint number 6. It is a Hindi language daily newspaper. It was started in 1938 from Agra. It is recognized for its authenticity, honesty and trust. It is the 4th largest read Hindi daily in India. Now answer is Amar Ujala. Answer 6 is Amar Ujala. Hint number 7. It is a daily newspaper in Malayalam language. It is published from the state of Kerala. It has been published since 1980. It is one of the largest circulated daily newspaper. The answer is Malayala Manorama. Answer 7 is Malayala Manorama. Now, hint number 8 and last. It is a Hindi language daily newspaper. It ranks number 1 among the dailies with a total readership of more than 16 million. It was started in Jhansi in 1942 and the answer is Dainik Jagran. Answer 8 is Dainik Jagran. Now proceed with chapter 36, notable writers. In this chapter we have given some books and we can match the following works with their writers. The first book is The Night Train at Deoli and the writer name is Ruskin Bond. Second book, Sayun Ikshwaku and the answer is, the writer name is Amish Tripathi. Amish Tripathi. Book number 3, Delhi. Delhi is written by Kushwant Singh. The writer name is Kushwant Singh. Okay, come on, picture number. Book number 5, book number 4, The Shadow Lines. Book name is Shadow Lines, and the answer is Amitav Ghosh. Right? The writer name is Amitav Ghosh. Come on, book number 5, A Bend in the River. The answer is, the writer name is V.S. Naipaul. Book number 6, A Fine Balance. A Fine Balance is written by Rohinton Mistry. The writer name is Rohinton Mistry. Now, book number 7, The White Tiger. This book is written by Arvind Adiga. Okay, the writer name is Arvind Adiga. Okay. 7th, and the last one is The Namesake. This book is written by Jhumpa Lahiri. This is all for today. Thank you.